Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 4. Express each of the following in the form of p minus q into x plus r whole square. Again, we need to make a completing square there, and the part C is 13 plus 4x minus 2x square. So now, first of all, we will arrange the quadratic expression in proper form. Proper form means that the quadratic form we have ax square, leading term should be first, and then plus bx, then plus c. So now it would be here minus 2x square, then plus 4x and plus 13. So as you can see in the required form, we have q outside the bracket. It means we need to take the coefficient of x square common, means we need to factor out the coefficient of x square. So which is minus 2. Now minus 2 is common. Here is x square left. Remember, we will take only from the first two terms. The q is not common from the p also. P represent a constant value. So it would be here minus 2x plus 13. Now we will apply the completing square we will make in parentheses. So minus completing square we have x plus b by 2 whole square, then minus b by 2 whole square. Now the b by 2 is equals to minus 2 by 2, which is equals minus 1. So let's substitute the formula here in parentheses. Outside the parentheses, values we will keep same. Now x always we will keep same, plus b by 2 means it would be minus 1, because plus minus makes minus. There is plus, but the b value is minus 1. So plus minus makes minus. Then minus b by 2 whole square. After that plus 13. Now here minus 2 we will keep same again, x minus 1 whole square, then minus into 1 square plus 13. Now 1 square will remain same, 1 square, any power of the 1 is equals to 1. So we will multiply the minus 2 with both values which are inside the bracket. So it would be minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Then 1 square becomes 1. So minus minus makes plus. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 13. Now we will simple add the constant value there. So minus 2 and completing square we will keep same. 13 plus 2, it becomes 15. Then our required form is we should write down the constant value first. So we will make the same form. It would be here the 15, then minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 1 whole square. 15 minus 2x minus 1 whole square, which is our required form. So we got the value of p15, value of q minus 2, and value of r is minus 1. All of